Respected dignitaries on and off the dais, we are very grateful to represent our group. Our group is Group 1, Organization and the Functioning. And we have given the name as Green Warriors.
Let down the barriers.
So, all we being a youth, and we are supposed to let down the barriers. We know what are the barriers in our society, in our environment, and we also know what are causing changes to that. So, coming to the aspect of this group, its aim is to find out the resources in and around the village, also in the mandal and district level. And coming to 6 pillars are there to this group. That is creating awareness is first objective first, and coming planning organization, then coming to staffing, then coming to monitoring, reporting, implementation and budgeting. These are 6 steps or the 6 major pillars, as the foundation and pillar is important for the institution to be very in its position, and our organization structure is based on these 6 pillars. Then coming to the objectives, as we have said that first objective is regarding creating the awareness. Most of them being in a place we are not aware of what is happening in and around our. So we are supposed to create the awareness among the people. So how we can create this is by first selecting the major people in the. So first we are supposed to select all the representatives in and around the village side. That is a very basic format when it comes to our organization structure. So in village, we are naming that person who will be the representative as the village environmental elementals. Why we have given this name is, as me being a youth and very short-tempered person in anger also, we know we easily get anger by listening to our parents or even to the teachers, but we don't react at that moment. So we easily get anger. We are very short-tempered, and also I can say as a mental kind of people when we react to that thing. So we have given a name as a elementals, as we represent youth, and in the village place, the person who will be representing and collecting the data in the village area, like what are the resources in village and how these resources will be exploited at that moment from certain period, that will be recorded in a good manner, and it will be given way forwarded to the mandals, and then it will be way forwarded to district level also. And those who will be the representative in the mandal level, they are the mandal environmental elementals, and in the district they are the district environmental elementals. And complete motto is to collect the data in a proper way, and then to easily analyze what are the things or factors which are contributing to the change in environment. We usually expect the change in the other person, and we don't change by ourselves. So first here motto is to change ourselves, then bring and try to bring a change in the society. And when it comes to after all this representative in all the different scenarios or different places, a particular we can say how VC will be the head for the institution. There will be an ultimate person who will be representing in district, and he will be forwarding or carrying out all the complaints or whatever things we are saying in national and international conferences. So we will be he can be any IES officer or IAS officer, and at district level and all.
After the district level representations, they can represent better when compared to the normal people. So we selected them as the presidents or vice presidents. So they represent village level, mandal level, in district level to the higher officials, and they will lead to the policy making. So we hope for the best, so that policy making can be done properly and in a systematic way from the gross level, as what we will be working at grass level as local representatives by VE, mandal representatives by MEE. So finally they will be reached to the IAS, and finally IAS people will be represents at policy level, and they will make the system to function properly. So and implementation is the best way. So this is the ultimate goal of our green barriers. Green barriers, letting down the barriers.